Today we're gonna install a Victory 4x4 ladder into my 5th generation 4Runner. First of all, we're gonna cut the strip in half.
Yeah.
So we can put it on the mounting plate.
Yeah. See, 2023. Actually, I should put it for a month. It's expired. Well, they're not expired. But...
Now I'll put it over on the mounting plate. Ven aquí la luz.
Better be safe than fuck.
Got my chalan from Home Depot.
I don't own my own rights.
So it was cheap, $50 a day.
50 bucks to install my ladder.
He's been here 12 hours for 50
Plus lunch.
Oh.
That was that?
Mortal.
And the other one you
Now Luis is gonna clean the surface of the metal of the mounting plate so he can use that 3M tape. Go, Luis. And our supervisor. The bikes. The homies. I already have the Victory 4x4 roof rack in my RTT. You don't have to have it, but because you can install the ladder in any 4Runner. You don't need to have an aftermarket roof rack. Now I'm gonna clean the surface of the car with alcohol so I can stick the 3M tape. You wanna measure 4.5 in the gutter. 4.5, so right here. Pass me the marker, please. Or a piece of blue tape.
makes a weird noise.
4
The shifter button.
and a half. So that's 4.5.
The one you have to push to change the gears.
Okay,
All
stop.
I saw.
Now you're gonna put the, what is it called?
The fender.
The the hood.
The hood?
No, the bottom plate in between the plate that we just put. They include the black bolts that they sell for 50 bucks for your roof rack for the ladder and not for the roof rack. Why, Victory? Why? For reals. They sell the black bolts.
Really?
Yeah. But they're including it for the roof rack, so it doesn't make sense. Yeah, the ladder. So now we're gonna tie it all 6 bolts from the bottom plate evenly. You don't want to push too much torque on them. Now you're gonna flip it and put the upper plate with all 6 bolts. And look, this is what happens when you have a Husky. Now we're gonna wanna add the steps. There's two. The two on the bottom look the same, but the first one, the one on top, is
It's
Angled.
angle. So I don't know
So there's a straight edge, like this, and then take that one back off.
Just for stupid people to do it.
This one's angled. You can see the angle right there. See how it looks like a 90 kind of? And then these ones are straight.
All right. Now, Luis is putting all the steps. There's 3 steps.
Damn, I scratched already?
Oh, hell no. Where? Now you mount the ladder and you want to attach it to the ones on to the plate on the top with these 3 bolts. Justin, hold it, please. There. 1. And do you have to tighten it or not? 2. Where do you go? Cut. Now you're gonna wanna level the ladder and put a tape on the bottom, right, Eric?
Yep.
Now you wanna level the ladder and put a tape on the side of the bottom part to make sure to be continued tomorrow, 6 a.m. Luis. How do you take it off?
On top.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you broke it.
Seal the mud.
Just kidding.
Now before drilling the holes, you want to make the ladder level. Push it against the tailgate and mark your holes so you can drill them. Luis, mark the holes. Okay. God, pendejo.
Yeah.
Hold it. So now you have to tighten up the bottom bolts. With your hand. Okay, this is the final product.
Hey, Justin's and I scratching your truck.
Hold on. Let's try it out.
Baby steps.
200 pounds.
Oh my god, it works. It works, guys. Okay,
Put that tape,
Oh, the grip tape?
the grip tape right here. So when they put the feet, they don't fucking.
Oh, yeah, huh? Or stickers.
At least just right here, right here. Just put like the from here to here, here. This one should be fine.
Inteligente. Now we're gonna replace the tailgate struts. Remove the clip from both sides, from the stock one. Just pull it out. So the new ones, the heavy duty ones.
Top ones you can just pop in, but the bottom one you have to twist it a little bit.
There you go. You did it. Now your tailgate won't slam on your head.
It says about 200 pounds to get a hold.
Yeah, I think the ladder is like 60 pounds or something.